Happy day, students. Today I am going to teach you determiners for higher secondary students. Okay, what are determiners? Determiners decide or determine something in the sentence. So, a determiner is a word that helps us to identify or specify a noun. A determiner always comes before a noun. Example, you see, Sean bought this book yesterday. That tall man is our history teacher. So, this is a determiner, that is a determiner. Words such as a, and, the, some, any, my, are, their, her, his, each, every, certain, its, this, that, few and many are determiners. Any glass jar will do for this experiment. So, any is the determiner. Raghav inaugurated another exhibition this week. There was little water in the pitcher. So, little. We need more information on this topic. This. Mr. Wang could not speak much English. There were several birds perched in that tree. Numbers can be determiners too depending on the way they are used. Example, you see, 1 table or 1/4 of an orange. Just see the chart, okay. Determiners using this pigeon. A pigeon, the pigeon, my pigeon, this pigeon, our pigeon, your pigeon, that pigeon, one pigeon, first pigeon. So, we use all these words as determiners to denote the single pigeon. There are 6 kinds of determiners. First one, articles. Second, demonstrative determiners. Next, possessive determiners. Next, distributive determiners, quantifiers and interrogative determiners. Let's see the first one, that is articles. A, and the are the articles. Articles are further divided into definite and indefinite articles. Definite articles are those that refer to something in particular or something that has been mentioned. For example, I saw a little boy in the park today. The little boy was eating a candy. See, definite articles, you know, the little boy. At first, I saw a little boy. So, a is indefinite article and also indefinite article. And a little boy becomes the because it becomes a definite article. So, the little boy was eating a candy. Next, we shall see the demonstrative determiners. Determiners that help us to point out something in particular are called demonstrative determiners. See the example, this is my pen. These tomatoes are rotten. You have landed yourself in that crowd. See, the highlighted determiners are demonstrative ones as they help to point something in particular. Next, we shall see possessive determiners. Determiners that help to show possession are called possessive determiners. My pen is on your desk. So, my, your, all these are determiners. Our house is in the next lane. Our is a possessive determiner. His mother never allowed him to stay with us. So, the highlighted determiners are possessive ones as they define possession. Dear students, you should know the difference between the possessive pronouns and the possessive determiners. Possessive pronouns, this pencil is his. In possessive determiner, you see, this is his pencil, right? Second one, the new ball is mine. This is possessive pronoun. See in the next, my ball is new. This is possessive determiner. The red scarf is yours. in possessive pronouns, but in possessive determiners, your scarf is red. So your is the possessive determiner. Next one, you see the bicycle under the tree is hers or his. So this is coming under possessive pronouns. But in possessive determiners, her or his bicycle is under the tree. So her is here. You can see. Next one, last one, you see the house on the right is theirs. This comes in possessive pronouns, and you see in the possessive determiners, their house is on the right. So remember, there is always a noun after a possessive determiner. Okay, there is a noun after a possessive determiner. There is no noun after a possessive pronoun, right? Next, we shall see the distributive determiners. Determiners that express how something is distributed, shared or divided, and also refer to a particular person or thing in a group are called distributive determiners. When you see the examples, you will get an idea. She finished all the brownies. All is the distributive determiner. Next one, Rana misses something every other day. So every. Next one, both the teacher and the children are out of town. So both. The highlighted determiners are distributive as they express how something is distributed, shared or divided. They also refer to a particular person or thing or group. Next, moving on to quantifiers. Determiners that describe quantity are called quantifiers. So, you see the example, I have 70 toy cars. 70 numbers come under quantifiers. My brother is 3 years old. 3 is quantifier. Reema ate 2 parathas for lunch. So, the highlighted determiners are quantifiers as they describe quantity. Finally, we will see interrogative determiners. Interrogative means, questions. So, determiners that ask questions are called interrogative determiners. So, example you see, which one is your book? Which? Which dish do you like? Here also, which? Whose bag is that? Whose? The highlighted determiners help to ask questions. So, determiners that ask questions are called interrogative determiners. Let's see the exercise. Choose the correct option on the determiners. Okay. A. How? They have given much, many, few. What will come? How much money did the thieves steal? It is money, so how much money? B. On Saturdays, there is not much traffic on the road. So, here also much. C. There aren't many students in the library. Sorry, there aren't many students in the library. Then D. I waited for a few minutes and then called her. Next one, the shopkeeper spoke little English. That means he did not speak proper English at all. Then F. Could you bring me those books I left in the garden? So, bring me those books because it is in the garden. So, you can understand. Fill in the blanks with suitable determiners. Reshma is saying, I would like to make a booking for one of your auditoriums. Our cultural club is organizing a charity show on 20th December. Manager is saying, in this building, we have 3 auditoriums of different capacities. Reshma, we shall be staging some shows and we are proposing to invite many people for each show. Which auditorium would you suggest? Manager is saying, I think an auditorium on the 3rd floor would be just fine. It can accommodate 500 people. Some or many organizers prefer it to the other 2. Then Reshma, what is the procedure for booking it? Manager, you are required to pay an amount of 5,000 rupees in advance. you can pay the balance of 5,000 rupees a week before the event. Reshma, what are the facilities that you provide? Manager, we shall ensure that the sound system is of the best quality. We will also provide you the support of 3 executives. Reshma, that sounds perfect. When is the good time to meet you next and make an advance payment? Manager, you could come on any working day between 10 a.m. and 4 p.m. Reshma, thank you. Now take the correct options. Amol, could you give me some water please? Second one, that tall lady is our science teacher. Third one, we went out last night and visited a few friends. See here, a few means some friends, few means not, no one. Fourth one, these mangoes from Ratnagiri are delicious. Fifth one, Manish doesn't like either shirt. So there are 2 shirts, he doesn't like either. Next, you can buy this board game at any toy store. Next one, I had a few biscuits and a glass of milk. Next one, there are many places that you can visit in Delhi. Next one, the mountaineers must carry enough food to last them for 3 days. Then last one, mother takes little sugar in her tea. That means she will not take sugar at all in her tea. Insert suitable determiners wherever necessary. Salim Ali was one of the greatest Indian naturalists. The is missing. Okay, a well-known ornithologist, ecologist, teacher, writer and an explorer. In 1941, Salim Ali published the Book of Indian Birds, which was highly appreciated and widely read. He also wrote the 10-volume Handbook of the Birds of India and Pakistan. He wrote it with the help of zoologist 5 Dillon Ripley. The royalties that he received from the books helped him pay off his old debts. Later in his life, as his earnings increased, he generally granted scholarships to students. In 1976, Salim Ali received the J. Paul Getty Award for Conservation Leadership worth $50,000. Salim Ali was also awarded Padma Vibhushan and 3 honorary doctorates. He made an incredible contribution in the fields of ornithology and ecology. He also wrote an autobiography titled The Fall of a Sparrow. We shall see some illustrations now. See, this white tiger is in Trivandrum Zoo. So this is a determiner. Next, those tulips are very beautiful. So those. Next, if Reena practiced well, she would win the competition. So the definite article. These foods are having more proteins than eggs. Next, you see, this is an animated picture of dolls. So this is a determiner. You see here, Dr. Ashwin is an orthopedician and a health expert. So we have an orthopedician, and is a determiner article, and a health expert. Next, you see, each person must choose the food that is best for his or her life. So we see here, each is a determiner, his, her, all these are determiners. You can see there are 4 tigers advancing towards a man on the bus. So we see here 4, the number 4. Next, you see interrogative determiner. Which bird is our national bird? Peacock. Next, the Bible is the largest selling book in the world. So So, the is a determiner. So, dear students, hope you have understood the determiners, and with this I wind up the class. Thank you.